What is the basic unit of life? Answer: cell. Which organ purifies blood in the human body? Answer: kidney. Got it right? Which part of the cell is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Answer: mitochondria. Which is the smallest cell in the human body? Answer: sperm cell. Which part of eye controls light entry? Answer: iris. Largest gland in human body? Answer: liver. Which organ produces insulin? Answer: pancreas. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood in the human body? Answer: heart. How many bones are there in the adult human body? Answer: 206. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? Answer: vitamin K. What is the red pigment in blood called? Answer: hemoglobin. Which blood cells help in clotting of blood? Answer: platelets. Which is the largest bone in the human body? Answer: femur. Which organ controls all activities of the body? Answer: brain. What is the liquid part of blood called? Answer: plasma. Which body system removes waste from the body? Answer: excretory system. What is the largest organ of the human body? Answer: skin. Which acid is present in the stomach? Answer: hydrochloric acid. What is the main structural protein found in skin and connective tissues? Answer: collagen. What is the largest artery in the human body? Answer: aorta. Which organ helps in detoxification of the body? Answer: liver. What is the largest internal organ in humans? Answer: liver. Which organ absorbs water from waste food? Answer: large intestine. Which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Answer: arteries. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Answer: cerebellum. Which blood cells carry oxygen? Answer: red blood cells. Which mineral is needed for strong bones? Answer: calcium. Which vitamin is called the anti-sterility vitamin? Answer: vitamin E. What is the medical term for the voice box? Answer: larynx. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? Answer, vitamin A. What is the most abundant protein in the human body? Answer, collagen. What is the hardest material in the human body? Answer, tooth enamel. Which blood cells fight diseases? Answer, white blood cells. Which organ stores bile? Answer, gallbladder. How many chambers are there in the human heart? Answer, 4. Which joint allows the head to turn side to side? Answer, pivot joint. Which blood vessels are the smallest in the body? Answer, capillaries. Which structure connects muscles to bones? Answer, tendons. Which chamber of the heart pumps oxygen-rich blood to the body? Answer, left ventricle. Which system controls hormones? Answer, endocrine system. What is the name of the muscle that helps in breathing? Answer, diaphragm. Which organ stores urine before it leaves the body? Answer, urinary bladder. Which part of the brain controls breathing and heartbeat? Answer, medulla oblongata. What is the collarbone called? Answer, clavicle. What is the thigh bone called? Answer, femur. Which organ helps regulate metabolism? Answer, thyroid gland. Which part of the human body has the most bones? Answer, hand. Which organ absorbs nutrients from food? Answer, small intestine. Which body system protects the body from disease? Answer, immune system. Which part of the body produces red blood cells? Answer, bone marrow.